Look, listen, repeat. Pronouns: he, she, we. I, you. He, she. We. They. Look, listen, repeat. Verbs: live. I live in a house. I live, you live, they live. He lives, she lives, it lives. Am, is, are. Am not, is not, are not. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. They are. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. We are not. We aren't. They are not. They aren't. They are not. They aren't. Do, does. Do I? Do you? Do we? Do they? Does he? Does she? Does it? Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Look, listen, repeat. Liz.
Hello, I'm Liz. I'm British. I'm from Sutton, England. Sutton is a small village near Cambridge.
Eloise.
Hello. I'm Eloise. I'm French. I'm from Paris. I live in London.
Giulio.
Hello. I'm Giulio. I'm Italian. I'm from Rome. Rome is a large city. I live in Cambridge, England.
Kevin.
Hello. I'm Kevin. I'm from Miami, Florida. Florida is in the USA. The United States of America. I live in Hialeah, a town near Miami. I am American.
Questions and answers. Is Kevin American? Yes, he is. He is American. Are Giulio and Eloise British? No, they aren't. They are not British. Is Giulio Italian? Yes, he is. He is Italian. Is Eloise French? Yes, she is. She is French. Is Liz from Cambridge? No, she isn't. She is not from Cambridge. Does Liz live in Cambridge? No, she doesn't. She lives in Sutton. Is Sutton near Cambridge? Yes, it is. It is near Cambridge. Are you from Italy? No, I'm not. I'm not from Italy. Am I British? No, I'm not. I'm not British. Do Julio and Eloise live in England? Yes, they do. They live in England. Does Kevin live in France? No, he doesn't. He lives in the USA. Do you live in the USA? No, I don't. I live in Italy.